What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Shakira, and I'm back at it with another video. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like this video, hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. I upload new videos every single Tuesday, so you already know it's going down, okay? And share if you care. If you care about your girl and you want to help us get to that 1,000 goal, share, let them know to subscribe too. But today I want to do an Easter Dollar Tree haul with y'all. So y'all know we up in here quarantined because of Corona or whatever. So Easter gonna look a little different this year. I wanted to have like this big Easter egg hunt this year for my baby since he is now 1 and he can be with all the big kids. Well, not big kids, but like all his cousins who are like, you know, older than him. But unfortunately, we won't be able to do that. So instead, we're still gonna have an Easter egg hunt because we have a backyard that is capable of doing so. So I went ahead and went to Dollar Tree. Didn't want to spend too much money, like he's 1. It's not that serious. Don't try to let people think that you gotta do all this stuff. Do what you do and do it cute, boo. So Dollar Tree haul today. All right, let me just get right on to it. First, let me get this out the way. Isn't this so cute? So I got this Easter sign. I did not get this from Dollar Tree, I wish, but it actually was only $7. It was half off at Big Lots. Normally it's $14. Normally it's $14, but it was half off, so it was $7. And y'all, sometimes like I hate being last minute with stuff, but sometimes it's like a benefit because then you get the deal. Like Big Lots be having stuff half off when it's like real close to the holiday or, you know, after the holiday. So yeah, I got this sign. It's super cute for my baby so we could take his Easter pictures at the house. Okay, we got the whole studio in the house. Don't play with me. So then, you know, I had to go to Dollar Tree and let me show y'all what I got. So we got the Starburst jelly beans. The candy is more so for me, my brother, and Sahara, but he don't really eat candy. But Snickers, because my baby do not eat candy. And then Sour Heads. Y'all remember Sour Heads? Like, it's not the real thing for real, but it's from Dollar Tree, but it's very similar, and I think they're gonna be good. So, got those candies. I got him a police car, or police truck, an ambulance. I got him this super cute Paw Patrol bite-sized food cutter set. Oh my gosh, y'all, look how cute this is. Like, I can use this for sandwiches, I can use it for cookies, like anything. And I think it's so cute. Like, got him that, and then I got him this drawing board. Y'all remember these from back in the day? Like, you can doodle and erase and do it again and again, and it's magnetic. Y'all remember these? So cute. So I got all of these, and these things are gonna go inside his basket. So let me get to that. So I got these eggs. I got these carrots. They were cute. And then now we had to do the sports thing. That's like his thing. So we got these, which is super cute. And then I gotta get the golden eggs, the lucky ones. Got these. And I didn't need too many eggs because it's just gonna be him. So all together, that's like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 eggs. That's not too much. But for him to run around outside and have fun and, you know, me record it for memories. Got the grass to go in his basket. Got a book. Gotta have a book. That's the teacher in me, okay? Eyes, nose, fingers, and toes. Sesame Street. Super cute. Y'all remember these games? You got Goldfish, you got Old Maid, and you got Matching. Got him these. And here's his basket. It's a soccer ball. Had to keep the thing going. I thought that was so cute. So, of course, I did this. So, yeah, this is my Dollar Tree haul. All together, I spent about $20 there. Super cheap, super cute, and yeah, he's gonna love it. So right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and unpack everything and put it inside his little basket, make it cute or whatever. Let me know in the comments below, like, what are y'all gonna do for Easter? You know, since we're in the house, if you have kids, are you gonna do like an Easter egg hunt in your backyard, your front yard? What are y'all gonna do? Let me know in the comments. But Easter is really gonna be so different this year. Like, you know, you can't physically go to church, but make sure you tune in to somebody's church. Tune in to Destiny World Church online or Transformation Church. Those are both my churches, okay? But it's just gonna be different. Like, all those people who normally just go to church only on Easter, those kind of people, you ain't gonna be able to go to church. So you ain't got no excuse why you can't tune in from the crib. So right now I'm just gonna get the grass all like scrunchy up. And I'm just gonna put the grass in here. Ooh. That's cute. So cute. Oh, y'all, I forgot to get the little plastic thing. I can go to the store tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. We got one more day. Y'all probably not gonna see this till after Easter, but you know. Take these little plastic things off for the toy. A little police car. That in there. Do it make a sound? So cute. Y'all, that's so cute. My baby. Y'all, this bucket may not be big enough for all this stuff I done got. We gonna see, child. We gonna see, child. Like this board, I don't think this board gonna be able to go in here. Let's see. Did your parents used to make Easter baskets for y'all growing up, or did they used to buy them, or did y'all not celebrate Easter? And yes, we know the real meaning of Easter over here, okay? But we do still, the pen drop, but we do still do Easter baskets, okay? It fits. Now I just gotta get these in there. Yeah. The only thing that's not gonna fit in here, y'all, is this. So that's just gonna not have to go. But everything pretty much fit in there. Look how cute. All right, got my thumbnail. So that's super cute or whatever. Real cute, simple, and to the point. Period. So now I just gotta stuff these eggs with the candy. With the candy. I might have too much candy in under the eggs. Whoop! Great job, Mother. I'm making a mess. Sport eggs are a little bit bigger though. The sport eggs are cute. I love them so much. I should have did 2 packs of the sport eggs, but y'all, he don't need that many. He's just a 1-year-old little baby. Okay, he gonna have fun with these 15 little eggs and call it a day. Can't even eat nothing that's going in it. Y'all, I'm so clumsy. My son is really clumsy too. He probably gets that from me. For sure. Okay, now you don't want to open. Okay, do I need to get some scissors? I'll be back. get some scissors there. That was acting weird. So I'm gonna just put a couple of these. Oh, they're attached. Put like 3 of those in there. Stuff up the eggs. I need to get him another basket because that basket, well, I guess, are you supposed to like empty out the stuff and then go to the Easter egg hunt? I don't really remember how we used to do it, but that one's clearly full of his gifts, so he needs something to collect the eggs in. But I guess, I mean, he could open that first and then, I could stuff these with a lot. He could open that first and then do the Easter egg hunt. I don't know. We gonna make it work. Cause I don't think I'm about to go buy another basket. That's retarded. Unless it's like a basket that I can use for something else. Cause baby, we're not just about to be buying stuff that's useless, okay? We've been decluttering, been doing good. We're gonna keep it that way. So yeah, let me know what y'all have planned for Easter. If you made your little ones Easter baskets. I want to see pictures, so follow me on social media at lifeissosincere and tag me in those. I'd love to see them. Excuse me. The golden eggs are the smaller ones, so those are gonna have the jelly beans in them. Should I like put them in there now? I guess it ain't gonna hurt nothing. I know I got too much candy. Too much candy, not enough. Not enough eggs. The ones that go inside of here, we ain't gonna need to eat, so I'm not gonna put that many. Cause these actually I actually like Starburst jelly beans, and I'm not eating out of these nasty eggs. So I'll probably just use one bag for the eggs and eat the other bag. Cause I got too many anyway. I got to do this. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so happy to have a kid now. Ah! I get to do like all the kid things all over again with my own child. It's pretty fun. It's pretty fun and just like exposing him to the world and things. Just brings back a lot of memories, and we get to create our own family memories, and that makes me so happy. So I think that is everything I'm gonna be able to fit. And like I said, I got more candy than I had eggs, but this is what we have. I'm about to set it up real quick so y'all can see how cute this is. Super, super cute. I'm gonna do a little photo. A little photo. Yeah, happy Easter. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. And we'll be back on Tuesday. Bye.